One of the most important things in crypto is diversification. In essence, not keeping all of your eggs in one basket, but in this case, not keeping all of your crypto on one platform.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
I've been diversifying over the past couple of weeks, looking into different exchanges, platforms, apps, and wallets. This just so happened to coincide with Huobi Global reaching out to me and asking me to do a video on their exchange. So in this video, I'll be giving you an overview of the platform, showing you how you can fund your account, a look at the exchange, and also give you an idea of the great earn features they offer. Remember, what you're hearing today isn't financial advice, purely education and entertainment. Welcome to the Bitcoin Jones channel. This video is sponsored by Huobi Global. Visit the video description for more details and stick around to the end to find out how UK and EU customers can get some of the lowest trading fees around, cashback on those trading fees, as well as a $170 welcome bonus. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is check the legitimacy of this exchange. For me, I look for an exchange with a reputation, a history, and how it factors against other top exchanges. On CoinMarketCap, Huobi is in the top 3 exchanges in spot trading volume, third only to Binance and Coinbase. Huobi Global were founded in 2013 and now have regulated entities in South Korea, Japan, Gibraltar and more, servicing tens of millions of users in over 100 countries and regions. Now, this all sounds very impressive, but what does that mean? Does it mean dump your life savings into an exchange and board a rocket ship to the moon? Well, unless you're one Jeffrey Bezos, no. This just means that out of the 300 odd exchanges listed on CoinMarketCap, you're probably going to have a better experience using this one and safety over, let's say, an exchange down in the 200-300s called Top BTC, which has an exchange score of 3. Oh no, wait, that's 0.3. My mistake. To make sure you're using the right link, visit my link in the video description and hit the Huobi Global link. For the first 50 people that sign up, you'll get 15% cashback on your trading fees, and if you're in the UK or EU, you'll be getting some of the lowest trading fees out there. Alright, with all that out of the way, let's get started. Once you're at the sign up screen, you'll need to do just that, sign up. Just input your nationality, pop in an email, and set yourself a nice strong password. Safety first. When logged in, you're brought to the home screen. If you're not used to using exchanges, then you might be shocked at what you see, but don't fear. Here's a simple way of breaking things down. Here on the left hand side of the screen, these are all the things Huobi have on offer. On the right hand side of the screen is stuff that's relevant to you, your fiat and spot accounts, your settings and security, as well as where to toggle currencies. So if you want it all displayed in USD or GBP or Euros, you can do this here. First off, let's visit the markets. This shows you the current state of the crypto market, what's hot and what's not. Here's a cool little thing you can do. Over here on the search bar, you can enter the name of your hot pick crypto. Here I'll type AXS and you'll see all of the trading pairs available for this altcoin, and by the side of that, there's a little star. Tap that little sucker and then that will be added to your favorites. Then over on the left hand side, you'll see a tab with the same star and the word FAV. Click this and then this will show you your stored coins. It's a good idea to use this to keep an eye on them without being bombarded by the whole market all at once. Next to markets is where you'll find spot trading. If you hover over the arrow, you'll see a few more options in this category. However, for now, let's just keep it simple. Click on exchange and this is where you come to exchange your crypto, hence why it's called the exchange. Again, when you first visit an exchange, it can look scary and daunting, but just like the markets, let's simplify things as much as possible. Over here you can see that same favorites tab we saw earlier, and also a few of the coins we dropped in there to keep an eye on. At the moment, I don't have any USDT to trade for AXS. My account is at 0, so I either need to buy some crypto or I need to transfer some over to this exchange. You can buy crypto with GBP for free, but this requires several steps of KYC and verification. KYC stands for Know Your Customer, and this just means that you are who you say you are and you're not going to do anything naughty on the platform. Head up to the Buy Crypto tab along the left hand side. Here you can buy, sell and convert crypto. Think of it as like a simplified exchange without all the movement and candles. There is also an option to do a fiat deposit, which is a free bank deposit in GBP. Here you have the option to drop one of 3 currencies into the platform, but because I'm British, I shall do GBP. There are a few things to note while doing it this way. It's a free service, however it does state here, please note a £1 fee will be charged by the payment service provider for each deposit order. The great thing about this is once you've funded your fiat wallet account with some pounds sterling, you can then convert that dusty fiat into some shiny cryptocurrency such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, or even a stablecoin like USDT or Huobi's own pegged dollar currency, HUSD, without any nasty credit charges or hidden fees. If you already have some crypto on another exchange or stored somewhere else, you can always send your crypto over here to begin funding your account and doing some trading. If you're sick of trading fees, well, Huobi offers several ways you can decrease them. Number 1. Visit the link in the description. The first 50 people that sign up using that link will get a 15% cashback reward on all trading fees. Number 2. New users can get $170 in a welcome bonus in the form of points cards, which can be used to pay for your trading fees. Number 3. UK and EU customers get a special reduced trading fee rate until December 2021. This fee is 0.099%, which is lower than trading fees on Binance. Number 4. Decrease this EU-UK special rate by holding Huobi token, and you get a reduced rate of 0.07%. Slash your trading fees into pieces and get a few rewards and cashback by using my link in the video description. If you're not into trading, well, let's look at something else I really like on the Huobi Global website, and that's its earn features. You can find these under the finance tab across the left hand side, and if you hover over it, you'll see they offer staking, Primepool, Huobi Earn, ETH 2.0 and crypto loans. Let's look at the earn function first. You're given 3 options here: featured, flexible and fixed. Featured are some special monthly staking pools, and these usually have a higher APY in them and last only a week, so these will be things that I'll be on the lookout for very regularly, especially as I just missed out on an AXS token pool which had a 100% APY with a lockup time of 1 week. If you look at some of the other past events too, you'll see that some of them have really great offers on. I mean, how can you go wrong on a 60% APY term on USDT? You also have the flexible earn option, which is both flexible in its daily percentage and also in its lockup period, which could be great for times in the market where there's sideways action and you just want to put your coins to work for you. Then you have the fixed earn. This is a fixed APY for a fixed amount of time, meaning if you stake your coins, you can't get them out until the term is over. These are more profitable in the long run and are perfect for coins you want to hodl for the long term, and whilst you hodl, you may as well get a bonus on the side. Those are the options you have for the earn, and if that didn't wet your whistle, this next one might. It's called Primepool. Now, every so often, Huobi chooses a token to enter the Primepool. This token isn't available on the exchange at this stage. So, you stake ETH or Huobi's native token, HT, into the Primepool, and instead of earning yields of ETH or HT, you're rewarded this new token before everyone else gets the chance to trade it on the exchange. As you can imagine, having access to a coin or token before it gets listed on the exchange is a bit of a dream. If you look here, the APY on the latest coin, DFA, was incredible. 80% if you locked up ETH and a whopping 135% if you locked HT instead. For me, this has all the positives that I like to partake in. Short lockup terms, staking solid cryptocurrencies, and getting free airdrops of unusual tokens before they hit the exchange. I mean, just look at this chart. Head to the exchange and then in the search box type DFA. DFA was the most recent Primepool token, and on the day of it being listed on the Huobi exchange, it was just 10 cents. 3 hours later, it's trading at its all-time high of over $3, and then after that settled down, it dipped to around $2. I mean, I'm no mathematician, but I know having a coin at 10 cents and then having it go up to $2 is what we call profit. So even if you don't want to trade, the Primepool has to be worth a look, surely. Links down below. Sign up to be one of the first 50 to get 15% cashback on trading fees, $170 welcome bonus, and you also get to help support the Bitcoin Jones channel. If you come across any issues with the platform, you can find Huobi Global's official UK Telegram and Twitter channels down in the video description. With that being said, if you want to support the channel in other ways, you can like the video and subscribe if you fancy it too. Thanks for watching, see you later.